The Battle of Goose Green took place on May 28th to 29th, 1982, during the Falklands War between Argentina and the United Kingdom. It was one of the first major ground engagements of the conflict and a critical moment in the British campaign to retake the Falkland Islands. Argentine forces had occupied Goose Green, a settlement on East Falkland, as part of their initial invasion on April 2, 1982. The British task force, determined to reclaim the islands, launched a ground offensive led by Lieutenant Colonel H. Jones of 2nd Battalion, Parachute Regiment. The battle began with a night march by British troops, facing tough terrain and sporadic Argentine resistance. As dawn broke, fierce fighting erupted around Goose Green, with British paratroopers engaging entrenched Argentine positions. Despite being outnumbered and outgunned, the British forces pressed forward with determination. Lieutenant Colonel Jones led from the front, personally directing his troops and rallying them in the face of heavy fire. After intense close-quarters combat, including bayonet charges and hand-to-hand fighting, the British succeeded in breaking Argentine resistance. The battle concluded with the surrender of over 900 Argentine troops, marking a significant victory for the British and a turning point in the Falklands War. The Battle of Goose Green demonstrated the effectiveness of British military tactics and the resolve of its forces in reclaiming territory seized by Argentina, ultimately leading to the eventual British victory in the Falklands War.